TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly generate TikTok ads for yourself using Shopify dropshipping in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So basically, when it comes to working with TikTok ads, let me show you how we're going to get into the nitty-gritty details and in-depth features of this. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go into ad apps. Once we go into ad apps, we're going to come to Shopify App Store. And while we do that, you're also going to want to come here and write TikTok for ads. And you're going to get TikTok for business. So you're going to go ahead and sign up with TikTok business as well. Now, I already have an account, so I'm not going to show you the whole sign up procedure, but you're going to sign up with the TikTok for business account. And once you do that, you're going to come to your Shopify store and you're going to write TikTok. And once you write TikTok, you're going to basically download TikTok over here. So basically what's going to happen is once you've created your TikTok for business account, you're going to generate your ads in your TikTok for business. And then you're going to connect your TikTok for business account with your Shopify over here and then start importing your ads into your Shopify. And that is how you are going to go ahead and do TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.